Over 1 billion people would have tuned in from India and across the world for a moment that so many devotees have been waiting for so long. Today, the 5th of August, will be remembered as the day when the foundation stone of the Ram Mandir was laid in the city of Ayodhya. Prime Minister Modi led 1 billion Indians as he performed the Bhumi Pujan. He called the Ram Mandir a symbol of unity. Ayodhya was drenched in divinity. Here are the top 10 images of what has been a sacred day for 1 billion people.
Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram.
This one image signified a new dawn in Ayodhya. A moment etched in history. A moment that millions of devotees have waited for. The first stone laid by the Prime Minister of India for the Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. At the Ram Janmabhoomi site, Prime Minister Modi bowed down, surrendering himself to Lord Ram. The Dandvat Pranam is performed by lying fully prostrate on the floor with arms stretched out. It's a symbol of complete submission that reminds devotees to respect God and cultivate humility. In addition to the religious aspects, the Dandvat Pranam is also a combination of 3 yogic postures. The other significant image of the day was the Prime Minister praying to Ram Lalla Virajman at the makeshift temple in Ayodhya. Dressed in a golden-coloured traditional dhoti kurta and a traditional saffron stole, Prime Minister Modi offered prayers to the infant Lord Ram. An elaborate Bhumi Pujan was one of the top highlights of the day. The puja was done exactly at the same spot where Ram Lalla Virajman once rested. Chants of Bharat Mata Ki Jai and Jai Shri Ram reverberated through the air. Flanked by RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and Governor Anandiben Patel and the head of the temple trust, the Prime Minister performed the rituals meticulously, watched on by close to 150 prominent saints and seers from across the country. The Bhumi Puja ceremony that lasted for just over 30 minutes from 12:10 to 12:44 p.m. culminated with the Prime Minister and Yogi Adityanath putting the soil from the foundation site as tilak on their foreheads.
Narendra Damodar Das Modi.
9 bricks were kept during the Bhumi Pujan, sent by devotees of Lord Ram from around the world in 1989. The priest conducting the rituals declared that there were 275,000 such bricks, out of which 100 bricks with Jai Shri Ram engraved on them were taken for the ceremony.
ये श्री राम पूजित शिलाएं हैं जो 1989 में सारे संसार के राम भक्तों ने पूजन करके भेजी। ऐसी लगभग 2,75,000 शिलाएं, उसमें से पत्थर की ठोस शिलाएं निकाली गई जिन पर जय श्री राम लिखा हुआ है।
Before laying the foundation stone of the Ram Mandir, the Prime Minister planted a Parijat sapling in the temple complex. The Parijat, also known as coral jasmine tree, is believed to be the Kalp Vriksh or Kalp Taru, a wish-granting tree. Parijat is mentioned in the Puranas and other sacred texts. The flowers of the tree bloom at night and fall on the ground all by themselves. That's why Parijat is the only flower that can be offered to the deities after being picked directly from the ground. plaque, a postage stamp, and a statue of Lord Ram were also unveiled from stage by the Prime Minister, the UP Chief Minister, and the head of the Temple Trust, Nitya Gopal Das, to commemorate the occasion. But it all started at Hanumangadi. As per tradition, Prime Minister Narendra Modi offered prayers at Hanumangadi temple before proceeding to Ram Janmabhoomi site. It was here that he was presented with a headgear, a silver mukut, and a stole by Sri Gadin Sheen Prem Das Maharaj, head priest of the 10th century temple. This divine image, the first glimpse of the Ram Lalla, is historic. Decorated with flowers and adorned in new green garments, the infant god is flanked by his three brothers. The green garments that are engraved with Navratna jewels are said to be auspicious for Wednesday.